Warning, kindly press gently. This elevator prioritizes senior citizens, pregnant women, and person with disability, PWDs. Ayan na eh. Oh, ay. Wait, di ba dito tayo sumakay ng elevator? Dito tayo sumakay ng elevator? Wait, ground floor. Yan. Yan.